Hey guys, it's Red. I just wanted to let everyone know we had our very first paint party and it was a success. We painted this very festive Christmas truck and tree, which everyone personalized with their own family name on the truck's door. And I know those of you that watch the show are all over the country and world, so you couldn't exactly attend the event. But I have good news for you. You can now have an online paint party in your own home with your immediate family or a couple of friends. And if you live by yourself and you simply want to paint this holiday scene, you'll be happy to know there is a way. I've created a step-by-step video of the very same painting using the very same instructions I gave those that attended the paint party. Now this is a full-length video, not sped up like this sneak peek or shortened for time like the videos I usually post here on YouTube. So you will have the same experience the paint party attendees had, with one exception. I'm offering the class to you at a fraction of the cost. For only $10, you'll get the link to this private step-by-step instructional video, the supply list detailing the paint colors and brushes used, the written instructions, if in case you want to read along as you watch, and the truck and tree traceable that you can print out. This traceable makes it so easy. What's great about an online paint party is that you can make it a family event or a date night or a ladies' night in. What's even better is that you get to decide when to watch. When we had the in-person paint party, it was on a specific day at a specific time. But with this virtual option, you will have access to the video anytime you like. So I hope you take advantage of this special offer. The link to purchase the class is in the description box below. And if you do, I'd love to see your finished truck and tree painting. So make sure to stop by our Facebook page and post a pic. Or tag us on Instagram. I can't wait to see those trucks and trees. Until next time, this is Red. Bye-bye.